ViewTech Borescopes are joystick-controlled video cameras that can go inside hard-to-see places in machinery, tubes, and parts. Companies save time and money on maintenance and quality by using ViewTech Borescopes to identify problems through remote visual inspections. Call us today to ask about our Try Before You Buy demo program. Airworthiness is the judgment of an aircraft's ability to perform flight safely. Because different countries around the world have different standards and administrations that rule over air travel, airworthiness can fluctuate all over the world. Most countries require extensive inspections and certification before deeming aircraft as airworthy. After initial certification, video inspection cameras play a role in planned maintenance on aircraft. These routine maintenance inspections are a huge part of making sure that the aviation industry is as safe as it is today. The best way to experience a ViewTech Borescope is with our free on-site demo program. Call to speak with one of our knowledgeable video borescope experts, and we will help find the best borescope for your inspection needs. You will quickly realize why ViewTech Borescopes is the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America.